Yo, what's up everyone, it's GVK. Today we're diving into a tech event that sent shockwaves across the globe, the recent Microsoft outage. A digital blackout that brought airlines, banks, even emergency services to their knees. From Mumbai to New York, the impact was immediate and widespread. Let's get into it. Imagine this. You're at the airport, bags packed, ready for that vacation, and bam, your flight is delayed indefinitely. Multiply that by thousands of flights across multiple airlines worldwide. In India, over 160 flights faced disruptions. Major US airlines like Delta had to halt operations. Passengers stranded, cargo piling up, supply chains in disarray. This incident exposed a critical vulnerability, our over-reliance on a handful of tech giants. Okay, so flights are grounded, but surely our money is safe, right? Wrong. Major banks in India, including SBI, HDFC, and ICICI, faced disruptions. People couldn't access funds, businesses couldn't process payments, and the financial system seemed to hang in the balance. This wasn't just an inconvenience, it was a major blow to the economy, eroding trust in digital systems. Imagine this, you're facing an emergency, every second counts, and you dial 911, but the line is dead. That's the reality that played out in several US states during the Microsoft outage. Emergency response systems, reliant on communication networks, went offline. Think about the consequences: delayed ambulance arrivals, police unable to respond, lives in danger. This exposes the fragility of our safety net when technology fails. It underscores the need for redundant systems and alternative communication channels to ensure public safety. The financial world runs on data, and when that data flow is disrupted, the consequences can be catastrophic. The Microsoft outage sent shockwaves through global markets, impacting major stock exchanges like the London Stock Exchange and the NYSE. Trading was halted, stock prices fluctuated, and investors panicked as uncertainty gripped the markets. This incident highlighted the need for robust risk management strategies, diversified tech infrastructure, and international cooperation to ensure the stability and resilience of global financial markets. In today's hyper-connected world, we expect instant access to information. But what happens when major news outlets go dark? That's what happened when Sky News, a leading global news organization, was forced off air due to a Microsoft outage. This highlighted the vulnerability of our information ecosystem and the potential for widespread misinformation and panic. India, often hailed as the world's back office, relies heavily on its IT sector. But the Microsoft outage brought this powerhouse to its knees, impacting major IT firms, including giants like Jio. Productivity of an entire nation took a significant hit. This outage exposed the over-reliance on a single tech provider, highlighting the need for diversification and indigenous solutions. The healthcare sector, reliant on technology, faced challenges during the Microsoft outage. Hospitals and insurance companies reported disruptions impacting patient care and operations. This incident exposed vulnerabilities and the need for robust backup systems and enhanced cybersecurity. Governments worldwide rely on digital infrastructure to deliver essential public services. The Microsoft outage exposed system vulnerabilities, causing widespread disruptions in government operations. This incident highlighted the need for governments to prioritize digital resilience and invest in robust backup systems. While the full impact on national security remains unclear, sources suggest the Pentagon faced challenges during the Microsoft outage. Imagine this: communication systems down, intelligence disrupted, command centers facing technical difficulties. This underscores the need for robust cybersecurity and redundant systems to ensure the resilience of national security infrastructure. The Microsoft outage extended beyond national borders, impacting security agencies worldwide. Intelligence sharing, communication networks, and surveillance systems faced disruptions, hindering their ability to respond to threats. This incident reminds us of global security's interconnectedness and the need for international cooperation and robust cybersecurity protocols. This Microsoft outage wasn't just a tech glitch, it was a wake-up call. Over-reliance on a single tech giant can bring the world to a standstill. From airlines and banks to hospitals and security agencies, the ripple effect was massive. For India, aiming to be a global superpower, this event highlights the need for technological independence. We must diversify our tech infrastructure, foster homegrown solutions, and create a robust digital ecosystem. The year 2047, marking India's 100th year of independence, isn't just about political freedom, it's about tech freedom. Don't forget to share, follow, and subscribe for more insights. Peace out.